Welcome to GMATHI Max. In this video we are going to see about functions. Okay, how to define function. Okay, for that we have to take two non-empty sets, x and y. These two sets are non-empty sets. Okay, two non-empty sets. And then here the first set x, we can say the first set x is called as a domain. Okay, and then second set y is called as a codomain. How do you say? Codomain. Second set y is called as a codomain. First set x is called as domain. Okay, for example, if we take that first set has some 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements, and then y has some 6, 7, 8, 9 like that. Okay, 4 elements. Okay, if we take like this, then here the first in domain, first set is called as a domain, second set is called as codomain. In domain, the element 1 is related to 6 and 2 is related to 7, 3 is related to 8, 4 is also related to 8, 5 is related to 9. So see here in domain, this 1 is an element in the domain. It is in the first set. Okay, so this, what is the image of this 1? We can say image of 1 is 6. How do you say? Image of 1 is 6 and image of 2 is 7. Image of 3 is 8, image of 4 is 8 and image of 5 is 9. Okay, what are here, every element is related to some element in the second set. Okay, that is called as a image. Okay, 6, 7, 8, 9, all these 4s are image. Okay, images of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What about this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Here this 1 is the pre-image of 6. Okay, here first you can write image of 1 is 6, image of 2 is 7, image of 3 is 8 and image of 4 is 8, image of 5 is 9. Okay, so now pre-image of 6 is, what is pre-image of 6? See here, pre-image, here 1 is related to 6. So image of 1 is 6. What is the pre-image of 6? Pre-image of 6 is 1. So pre-image of 6 is 1 and pre-image of 7 is 2 and pre-image of 8 is, what is the pre-image of 8? 3 and 4. 3 and 4 and the pre-image of 9 is 5. Okay, so here how to define the function, that is every element in the domain of f, this is f function, okay, of f has an image, and the second point is the image is unique. Okay, how do you say? Every element, all element in x have only one image in y. Okay, therefore this is called as a function. Okay, so such relation is called as a function. What is the condition for function? How to define the function? That is every element in domain has only one image in the codomain. Okay, so this one is, we have taken this one as example. So this relation is a function because each and every element in the domain has an image in the codomain y. Okay, so the element which is in the domain is called as a pre-image, and here which the number which is related to some element in y, that is codomain. Such collection of such elements is called as a images. Okay, so the definition of function is function f equal to set order per x comma y. For all x belongs to x, x is a domain and y belongs to y, this y is a codomain. சரி, இந்த ஃபங்க்ஷனில் உள்ள எலமெண்ட் ஃபுல்லாக இந்த மாதிரி தான் ஆர்டர் பேரில் இருக்கும் x, y. இதில் உள்ள அந்த x வந்து எங்கே இருக்கும்னா ஃபஸ்ட்டு செட்டு எக்ஸில் இருக்கும். ஃபஸ்ட்டு செட்டு எக்ஸில் உள்ள எல்லா எலமெண்ட்டும் செகண்ட் செட்டு கோடமைனில் ஏதாவது ஒரு எலமெண்ட்டை இமேஜாக வச்சுருக்கோம். அந்த மாதிரியான ஒரு ஆர்டர் பர்ஸை தான் கலெக்ஷன் ஆஃப் ஆர்டர் பர்ஸை தான் நம்ம ஃபங்க்ஷன் அப்படின்னு நம்ம சொல்கிறோம். Now see that example 1.6 they have given let x the set x and y and the relation r is given 1, 2, 2, 4, 3, 6 and 4, 8. Show that r is a function. So we have to show r is a function and find its domain and codomain and range. Okay, so for that first we have to see whether this r is a function or not is through arrow diagram. So for that first you can write, you can take that first set x, it has 1, 2, 3, 4 the element. Here you have to close it. In example 1.6 they are given that x set to x and set to y and the relation r. Then they ask the question as show that r is a function. We have to show this r is a function and find its domain, codomain and range. Okay, so we can go through, we can do this problem through arrow diagram. So here first x, first set x, we can say, we can call this first set as domain. This is a domain and second set y is called as a codomain. Okay, and then here the relation is given, one has the relation to 2, so 1 is related to 2 and then 2 is to 4 and 3 is related to 6 and 4 is related to 8. So using arrow diagram we have to draw like this. Okay, now see this picture. In domain each and every element has an image in the codomain. So this is a function. So r is called as a function. So r is a function. R is a function. Because all elements in domain in x is a domain, first set x have only one image in the codomain is the second set y. Okay, so the first question is finished, that is show that r is a function or not. So we have showed that r is a function because every element has an image in the codomain. Okay, and the next one is second one is domain, find its domain, codomain and range they asked. So domain, second one is domain. Domain is the first set is called as a domain. So you have to write the first set as it is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is called domain. And codomain means there is a second set. It's called as a codomain. You can write that second set as it is 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Okay, and here range they asked. What is the range? Range is that set of images is called as a range. What are the image? Here the image of 1 is 2, image of 2 is 4, image of 3 is 6 and image of 4 is 8. So the collection of image is called as a range. So what are the collection? What are the images? 2, 4, 6 and 8. We should not include 10 here because this 10 is not image of any element even in x. Okay, so that range is only the collection of image, but codomain is the all the elements, that is the second set fully is called as a codomain, first set fully is called as a domain. See that example 1.7 they have given that function f from x to y and f of x is equal to x square minus 2 and then x equal to the first set, the domain is -2, -1, 0, 3 and the codomain is set of real numbers r, set of real numbers. Real number means including all the numbers from natural number and integers and whole numbers and rational numbers, irrational numbers, every number will come under that real numbers. Okay, and then here list out, the question is list out the elements of f. Okay, yeah, elements of f should be in the ordered pair, so you have to find out. And then is f is a function, is f a function, they asked like this. So first one is we have to find out what is the images of this domain. minus 2 is the, what is the image of minus 2? Minus 1, 0 and 3. We have to substitute this x value in f of x. Okay, so for that f of minus 2, if we take f of minus 2, in the place of x we have minus 2. So in this expression we have to substitute in the place of x as minus 2. So minus 2 square minus 2. Minus 2 square is plus 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. And the next one is minus. So here in this, from this we can know, from domain minus 2 is related to 2. So the image of minus 2 is 2. Image of minus 2 is 2. Okay, next we have to find out what is the image of minus 1. So f of minus 1 equal to, in the place, instead of x we have to substitute minus 1. So here minus 1 square is plus 1. 1 minus 2 is gives minus 1. So here that my image of minus 1 is minus 1. So minus 1 is in domain. So this minus 1 is related to having the relation in the codomain as minus 1. Okay, so the image of minus 1 is 1, minus 1. Then here f of 0, third one is 0. You have to substitute 0 square minus 2. 0 square is nothing but 0. 0 minus 2 is minus 2. So image of 0 is minus 2, and f of fourth last one is 3. So 3 square minus 2 is 9 minus 2 equal to 7. So image of 3 is 7. So how do you write that function f? The question is list out the elements of f. So we have to write the list out. We have to list the elements of f. It should be ordered per. So from the domain minus 2, which is related to plus 2. This 2 is in codomain y. And then minus 1 comma minus 1 and 0 comma minus 2 and 3 comma 7. These are the elements of this f. And the second one is f a function? This f is a function or not? Second question. So for that x, here we can see through arrow diagram, x is minus 2, minus 1, 0, 3, and y is a real number. Real number start from all the numbers here 0, here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. It will go up to infinity. It will go up to infinity. Here also 1, 2, etc. It will go like that. Here 7, 8. Here also it will go up to infinity. Minus infinity to plus infinity. Rational numbers and irrational numbers also will come inside here. Okay, so now here what is that relation? Minus 2 is related to 2. So minus 2 is related to 2. And minus 1 is related to minus 1 here. Minus 1. And 0 is related to minus 2. So here minus 2. And then 3 is related to 7. Okay, now see this arrow diagram. Each and every element in the domain has an image in the codomain. So this relation is called as a function. Okay, therefore we can say each element in domain has an unique image. Therefore f is a function. In example 1.8, if x equal to the set x and y is given, and then which of the following relations are functions from x to y? They have given the three relations r1, r2 and r3. So first one you can see r1. We can see through arrow diagram. So first here that domain x is minus 5, 1, 3, 4. You have to close it. And the next one is codomain a, b, c. Okay, the relation is given. Minus 5 is related to a. So minus 5 related to a. Put arrow. And 1 is also related to a. Here put arrow. And then 3 is related to b. Okay, so see this picture, and in this arrow diagram we can see that what is the definition of function? That is, every element in the domain has an image in the codomain. But here the element 4 is not having relation with the codomain. Okay, element of codomain. Okay, so that this r1 is not a function. R1 is not a function. R1 is not a function because 4, the element 4 which is in the domain, the 4 is in domain X, does not have an image in Y. கோடொமைனில் எந்த இமேஜும் இல்லை. பட் -5 1 3க்கு இமேஜஸ் இருக்குது, 4க்கு இமேஜ் இல்லை. எவ்ரி எலமெண்ட் ஹேஸ் அன் இமேஜ், அதுதான் ஃபங்க்ஷனுடைய டெஃபினிஷன். பட் இங்கே 4ன்ற எலமெண்ட்டுக்கு இமேஜ் இல்லைன்றதுனால திஸ் R1 இஸ் நாட் அ ஃபங்க்ஷன். அடுத்து செகண்ட் ஒன் இஸ் R2. இதுக்கும் நாம் யூ கேன் கோ த்ரூ தட் யூஸிங் த டேரோ டயக்ராம். கேன் ரைட் த டேரோ டயக்ராம். -5 1 3 4. Y is ABC, then -5 is related to B, 1 is related to B, and 3 is related to A, 4 is related to C. Okay, see this picture. Every element in domain has an image in the codomain. So we can say this relation R2 is a function. So R2 is a function. ஏன்னா டொமைனில் உள்ள எல்லா எலமெண்ட்டுக்கும் கோடொமைனில் இமேஜ் இருக்குது. தேர்ஃபோர் R2 இஸ் அ ஃபங்க்ஷன். இது மாதிரி எந்த ஒரு இமேஜும் எந்த ஒரு எலமெண்ட்டும் டொமைனில் உள்ள எலமெண்ட்டும் இமேஜ் இல்லாமல் இல்லை. அது மாதிரி ஒன்றுக்கு மேற்பட்ட இமேஜ் எதுவும் இல்லை. எவ்ரி எலமெண்ட் ஹேஸ் ஆன் இமேஜ், ஒரே ஒரு இமேஜ் தான் ஒவ்வொரு எலமெண்ட்டும் வச்சுருக்குது. அதனால R2 இஸ் அ ஃபங்க்ஷன் சொல்லலாம். Because each element of domain X has an unique image in Y. The next one is R3. For that we have to write the arrow diagram first. Y is ABC. You have to close it. And you can draw the arrow. 5 is related to -5 is related to A, 1 is also related to A, and then 3 is related to B, 4 is related to C, then again 1 is related to B. So see here, in the domain 1, the element 1 has 2 image. 1 has 2 image. What is the function? Definition of function says every element in domain has an image. ஒரே ஒரு இமேஜ் தான் இருக்கணும். டொமைனில் உள்ள ஒவ்வொரு எலமெண்ட்டுக்கும் ஒரே ஒரு இமேஜ் தான் இருக்கணும். ஆனால் இங்கே 1 அப்படின்ற அந்த எலமெண்ட்டுக்கு 2 இமேஜ் இருக்குது. 1 வந்து ஏயோடய ரிலேட் ஆகிருக்கு, அதே 1 வந்து பியோட ரிலேட் ஆகிருக்கு. அப்போது அந்த 1ஓட இமேஜ் பார்த்திங்கன்னா ஏபின்ற 2 இமேஜ் கிடைக்கிறதுனால நம்ம இந்த ஃபங்க்ஷன் வந்து இது வந்து இந்த ரிலேஷனை வந்து ஃபங்க்ஷன் சொல்ல முடியாது. அதனால R3 இஸ் நாட் அ ஃபங்க்ஷன். Because 1 அப்படின்ற எலமெண்ட் 1 belongs to X, 1 is in domain, has 2 images. 2 images, one is A which is belongs to Y, and another one is B, it one is also belongs to Y. Example 1.9. They have given that f of x equal to 2x minus x square. Then they ask you to find that f of 1, f of x plus 1 and f of x plus f of 1. So for that first one, f of 1, we have to find f of 1. F of x is given. So in the place of x, you have to substitute 1. Okay. So here f of x is given. So here in the place of x. So in between 2 and x, multiplication is there. So 2 into 1. Multiplication should be inside the bracket. Okay. Then minus. Instead of x, we have to substitute 1, so 1 square. 2 into 1 is 2, minus 1 square is 1, so 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay. Now we have found that first one f of 1 is 1. And then second one is f of x plus 1. So see here, in the place of x, you have to substitute x plus 1. x க்கு பதிலா x plus 1 substitute பண்ணுறோம். So here 2 into, in the place of x, you have to substitute x plus 1. 2 elements இருக்கிறதுனால I will put it inside the bracket. Okay. So here minus, In the place of x, again you have to substitute x plus 1. X plus 1 the whole square. So now see the second element, x plus 1 the whole square. It is of the form a plus b the whole square. So what is the expansion of a plus b the whole square? A square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so here the 2 is outside here, so you have to multiply this 2 with the first element first. So 2 into x is 2x. The next one is you have to substitute you have to multiply the sign first. Here plus, here also plus. So plus into plus is plus. Then you have to multiply the same 2 with the second element. 1, 2 is 2. That is 2 into 1 is 2. Okay, so we have finished the first one. Then the second one is minus of. It is in the form of a plus b the whole square. So we have to expand this x plus 1 is in this way. So in the place of a we have x. In the place of b we have 1. Okay, so here a square means here in the place of a we have x. So x square. And then plus 2 into ab. A is x here and b is 1 here. So multiplication should be inside the bracket. Plus b square. B is 1. So 1 square. So we have expanded like this. Okay, and the next one is next step is 2x plus 2. Here minus of this one is x square. 2 into x into 1 is 2x. Simply 2x plus 1 square is 1. The next one is 2x plus 2. Minus is outside. You have to multiply each and every element by minus. So minus into x square minus x square. Minus into plus is minus 2x. And minus into plus is minus 1. Okay, now here plus 2x minus 2x will be cancelled, becomes 0. The next one is minus x square and 2 minus 1 is plus 1. Plus 2 and minus 1. So 2 minus 1 is plus 1. Okay, so now we have found that value of f of x plus 1 is minus x square plus 1. Then the third one is they asked f of x plus f of 1. So f of x is given in the question itself. F of x is 2x minus x square. This is. And then f of 1 already we have found the value as 1. F of 1 is equal to 1. So we have to put 1. This is f of x value and this is 1. F of 1 value. Okay. So only this one. Here you have to write it in the standard form. First you can write this minus x square term and then x term plus 2x because that sign of 2x is here plus. So plus 2x and plus 1. This is f of x plus f of 1 value. That is minus x square plus 2x plus 1. Now see this result. Only up to this they have asked us to find. Okay, see this result. F of x plus 1 is minus x square plus 1. Here f of x and f of 1. If we find separately, it gives the different answer minus x square plus 2x plus 1. So from this we can able to know that this f of a plus b, that is f of x plus 1 is not equal to f of x plus f of 1. So from this we can come to the conclusion that f of a plus b, if any two element is there, any two terms, my f of a plus b is not equal to f of a plus f of b. Okay, so students, in this video we have seen the definition of functions and example 1.6, 7 and 1.8 and 1.9. I hope you all understood these problems. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe and click the bell icon. Thank you.